Samsung is one of South Korea's best-known companies. Samsung Group is a abbreviation of Samsung Group, the largest conglomerate in South Korea. Samsung is one of the world's most respected companies, with business ranging from electronics to finance, machinery to chemicals. Samsung Electronics Company Limited, a subsidiary of Samsung Group, is an electronic product company. Samsung Electronics will divide the company into 4 quarters based on its performance in the first quarter of 2021. Samsung Electronics has 4 divisions: consumer electronics, information technology and mobile communications, device solutions and display. The company serves a variety of industries such as hotel, medical institutions, finance, education. Samsung is available in many countries. Next page, hierarchy. Samsung is a very well-known company. Samsung can produce a lot of high-tech products and provide a lot of service. First, Samsung has the most advanced semiconductor production line in the world. It can not only design chips, but also cooperate with other high-tech companies, which makes its product more competitive. Second, it also has the best screen production technology and materials in the world, so Samsung's screens are among the best in the world. Third, Samsung's mobile phone and home appliance business are distributed in the most countries around the world. Last, Samsung's consumer service and payments business span countries around the world.
The overall strength of Samsung's brands can be described as groundbreaking and future-oriented and convenient for consumers. As you can see in the chart above, Samsung, Huawei, and Apple account for more than half of the global smartphone market, and in the case of Samsung, if it occupies more than 1/5 of market, it shows the biggest influence and position in the global smartphone market. And then Samsung's aggressive marketing has worked to its advantage, marking its best performance in India since 2018. Next slide. We compare the market positioning of Samsung, which dominates the global smartphone markets, and its competitors Apple, Huawei, LG, and Sony respectively. As you can see in the diagram, Samsung has established itself as the most innovative and technological advanced company. It also has a lower price range than one of its biggest competitors, Apple, which reduces the financial burden on consumers and shows a wider range of products and higher function. Next slide. In the case of brand loyalty, it is one of the most important indicators for smartphone brands, because consumers include satisfied with the brand's products. As can seen from the chart above, Samsung's brand loyalty has increased the most when looking at the change in the ratio between 2018 and 2020. This increase in loyalty shows their own differences and strengths unlike other brands, so they can also show greater benefit to new customer choices. Next slide. Samsung is one of the world's most favored smartphone brands. As you can see in the image provided above, Samsung ranked first, second, third, and fifth in the world's most famous smartphone released in 2016. Consumers prefer and like mobile phones that are more innovative and up-to-date in their psychology. In these regards, Samsung smartphone products provide innovative and updated products to consumers. Samsung makes products using cutting-edge technology that can achieve everything they can, such as maps and GPS tracking, ultra-high-definition cameras. In addition, Samsung uses the best parts, so it shows a low defect rate. As evidence, Apple, one of Samsung's biggest competitors, is also receiving major components from Samsung. Samsung's latest devices and others.
Next page. I think first of all, Samsung should reduce its product line and eliminate similar products at the same price. For example, those differentiate of competitive products with low prices. Consumer can feel brand sincerity. At the same time, I think Samsung marketing should focus more on high-end products, where the company can compete with social media companies and advertising agencies. By sharing Samsung ads with specific groups offline, we can cooperate with sales companies and advertising operators to improve the quality of advertising.